In this video, I will show you in a quick and practical way how to use Claude on Vscode to code with the help of artificial intelligence and speed up your development workflow. First, open Vscode on your computer. If you do not have it installed yet, you can download it for free from the official Visual Studio Code website. Once Vscode is open, go to the Extensions tab located in the left side menu, or use the shortcut to open the extensions library. Next, search for an extension that allows you to use AI models, such as extensions compatible with API-based assistance. Install the extension and wait for the installation to complete. After that, open the extension settings and look for the field where you can add an API key. Now, go to the Anthropic website, sign into your account, and copy your Claude API key. Return to Vscode and paste the API key into the correct field to connect Claude to the editor. After setup, open a code file and use the extension panel to ask questions, generate code, or request improvements for your project. You can ask Claude to create functions, fix errors, or explain parts of your code. This helps you code faster and more efficiently, especially in larger projects. And that's it. Now you know how to use Claude on VS Code easily. Save this video so you can check it again later if needed.